Hey Boxers, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily delete your current project and start from scratch. So this is the project that we've been working with, and this is the project here on my local host, and this is the project here in Firebase. So when I first tried to do this, I ran into an error stating that I needed to be logged in as an administrator. So I've logged in as an administrator. If you can't figure out how to do that, simply open up your search bar, click your Windows icon, or if you're on a Mac, I'm not quite sure how you would do it. Right click on the program and then run as administrator. And then it'll prompt you with a message asking if it's okay if VS Code or if this program, whatever program you're opening, can make changes on your system. Just make sure that you hit yes. And then you'll get into administrator mode. And then you simply delete the project. Okay. It's as easy as that. Okay. Right click, delete, get rid of everything. Okay. Once you've gotten rid of everything, and you'll see this here, this is now, it can't reach the site because I've completely deleted everything. If you try to run a npm deploy, you'll get an error because there's nothing there. So let's say you've scrapped your project and now you want to start over. Okay, so now you can simply Firebase init, and you're basically just going to start from the beginning. Okay, are you ready to proceed? Yes. Scroll down to hosting, hit the space bar, and then hit enter. Use an existing project. Okay, we'll choose the same project. Public is the directory, so I'm just going to hit enter. And then it's not an SPA, so you can hit no. And now your initialization is complete again. Okay, and if you don't already have an index file that you want to drop in here, you can simply come in here and you can select all and you can delete it, and you can literally start over. My new project, and we'll throw in some lorem ipsum in here. One, two, and three. That way we see some content up on here. Now, you won't be able to refresh this. You're likely detached from the port number, which is 5500. So if you just right click and go back into live server, then you can get back into it. So it's the same port number, but it lost its connection. So now this is my content here. So now that I've initialized everything and everything is already inside this public folder, okay, everything that needs to be. Remember that Firebase RC, get ignore, and firebase.json all remain outside of the public folder. So Firebase deploy, and it's going to deploy the 404 page and the index page. When it climbs to 100%, then you're done. It's the same link, okay? So this is my local one here. This is the old one. And this one here is the Firebase link. So we'll stretch that out a bit so you can see exactly what I'm looking at here. Now, if I refresh this, I'm going to get the same content that was here on my local host. Okay, so now I have basically started over. All right, I hope this video helped you. As always, please like and subscribe, and I'll be back for more videos.